Stop wasting time writing articles. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use free AI to write high quality articles in just 5 minutes. And I'm going to show you exact prompts that I use to write articles. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Second thing you need to do, you need to find trending topics in your niche. Now you can do that manually or easier. It is much easier if you actually use AI. So I will come here on ChatGPT and I will give it this prompt, okay? And here you can see this is my prompt. Here you can see industry, health, tech, B2B, and so on. So you need to add your niche here. So let's say, for example, I'm in woodworking niche. So here I will say woodworking. Okay, and then here, when you download here, scroll here, you will see add your keywords or topics. So here again I will add woodworking. Okay, and simply press enter. And now ChatGPT will research Google Trends and answer the public and similar websites to find the trending topics in woodworking niche. And that will help me to write article about trending topic, and that trending topics go viral much easier, and that means you will get free traffic much easier. Now here you can see they already did that. So what I need to do, I need to give it a new prompt. Here you can see targeted audience, beginner, hobbyist, DIY, and so on. Main focused area, woodworking, code, hand tools, power tools, furniture, and so on and so on. Optional, any top performing content you already created. Once you share this, I'll generate 7 unique underserved blog ideas. So now I need to give it a new prompt. So here I will simply say, give me 7 underserved blog ideas. And simply press enter. And now ChatGPT will give me these ideas, okay? Here you can see it already gave me a first idea. So just give it a few seconds to finish. So now I need to give it a new prompt. I will say something like this. And here you can see how this looks. But when I scroll here you can see user input. Paste your working title and any targeted keywords. So I need to scroll here and I need to choose one of these ideas. So let's say, for example, this first one. Simply copy that, and here I will replace this with this title, okay? Paste and then simply press enter. And now ChatGPT will give me intro for my article. And here you can see how this looks. It already started and already finished. So now I need to give it a new prompt. So I will say something like this. When I scroll here you can see upload, open your article, brief, topic, and targeted keywords. So I need to scroll back here on the top, and this is my summary, okay? So I will copy this, okay? And I will replace this with this summary, okay? And press enter. And now ChatGPT will give me intro for my article. Here you can see statistic hook, question hook, and here you can see bold statement hook. So now I need to give it a new prompt. So I will say something like this, and when I scroll here you can see share your working title, topic title, and desired length or depth. So here I will choose, let's say, for example, I will choose title. So I need to scroll back here on top and I need to copy this title here, okay? Control C, and I need to replace this, okay? And then simply press enter. And now ChatGPT will write this article. Here you can see the expectation with the reality gap, mistake number 1, mistake number 2, mistake number 3, and so on and so on. So now all I have to do is just wait for ChatGPT to finish writing this article. Now in the meantime, what I can do, I can simply go here on Google Nano Banana and I can tell it to give me an image, related image. Because Google Nano Banana is much better at creating images than ChatGPT, in my opinion. So I will give it the prompt something like this. Make image for my article titled Mistakes Nobody Talks About When Switching from Power Tools to Hand Tools. Here you can choose the style, but I will not choose any style. I will just leave it as it is, press enter, and now Google Nano Banana will create this image. So let me just go back here on ChatGPT, and okay, here you can see ChatGPT finished this article. So let's just see, did Google Nano Banana finished? It still didn't finish, so just give it a few seconds. Okay, Google Nano Banana finished my image. When I click here, this is how it looks. it actually looks really good. Here you can see this is a power tool and this is a hand tool. And this guy is thinking which of these tools is better, okay? So this is perfect image. So I will just click here to download full size image. So now I need to publish this article somewhere in order to start getting traffic. Now for that, we are going to use Reddit. Reddit is getting 3.8 billion monthly visits. So what we need to do? You need to create a new Reddit account. I would strongly recommend to create a new Reddit account, and the topic of that Reddit account should be only one. In this case, it would be only woodworking. In this Reddit account, I would talk only about woodworking and nothing else, okay? That is really important, and in a minute you will see why. After you create your Reddit account, you need to click on your profile image and you need to go here on your profile. And then here you can see I have 15,000 Reddit karma. So what you need to do, you need to click here on create a post. Now, if you did a good research, keyword research, and if you wrote a good SEO optimized article, high value article, it is very possible that this article, Reddit article, will rank high on search results and you will start getting lots of organic traffic from search engines. Okay, so here I need to give it a title. So I will go back here on ChatGPT and I will copy my title. So let me just go back here. This is my title. Okay, Control C, go back here on Reddit and I'm going to paste that here. Now here I will open this article with image. Eye-catchy image. I strongly recommend to open your articles with image. Okay, here you can see it is uploading this image. So now I need to copy my article. So let me just scroll here. First I need my intro. So I will simply copy this. This will be my intro. So go back here on Reddit and I'm going to paste that here. Now I need to go back here and I need to copy my article. Okay, this is my entire article. I will copy this, Control C, go back here on Reddit. Okay, and I'm going to paste that here. And here you can see how this article looks. But now I need to promote my affiliate product. So I will go here on Digistore24 affiliate marketplace and then here I will search for woodworking. And here I will choose English language and here I can see available products. So let me just find one of those products that okay, here you can see the beginner's guide to woodworking with hand tools. Now this can be a good product to promote in this kind of article. So what I need to do, I simply need to go here on ChatGPT and I need to give it a new prompt. So I will say something like this: give me a strong hook for my affiliate product to promote in this article, and then press enter. And now ChatGPT will give me exactly that. So here you can see how this looks. I will choose this first one, okay? And I will copy this. And ideally, you would actually add a title of this product and ChatGPT would make even better hook, okay? So I will go back here and I will simply scroll here and this will, okay? And then here I will go back here and click on copy promo link. Go back here and let's say, for example, I will add my link here, okay? Here, and I will simply click on this little chain and I'm going to paste that link here, click here, save, and that's it. I added my affiliate link. Now, but also this is really important. You need to add your affiliate disclaimer, okay? So I can say something like this. And here you can see this is my affiliate disclaimer. Some links in this post are affiliate links. That simply means if you decide to buy, I may earn small commission, okay? That is really important. You need to add affiliate disclaimer. After that, all you have to do is just click here on post and that's it. You will post this article on your Reddit profile, okay? So after that, what you need to do, you need to go back here on Reddit and you here in the search bar, you need to search woodworking in this case. Okay, and press enter. And now you need to click here on communities. And here you can see there is lots and lots of woodworking communities. So what you need to do, you need to start contributing to these communities. Don't worry, we will not spam these communities. You just need to start sharing valuable content. If you find some useful and informative article, share it in one of these subreddits. If you find some good YouTube videos, share it in this subreddit. Also, go through these subreddits, read the comments, read if someone has a question, answer on their questions, provide value. And when we go back here on my profile, you will see that I actually have 4 followers. As you can see here, I have 4 followers, okay? So the more you provide value on other subreddits in your niche, the more people will start following your profile. And that means you will, over time, you will build up your audience. Those are people who will see, most certainly see every article that you publish on your Reddit profile. And that means guaranteed traffic. These people will see your post or your comment on some related subreddit, and they will decide to see what else you post on your profile, okay? And they will, and if they like what they see, they will start following you so they can get updates every time you post something, okay? And that means you will get organic, targeted, free traffic, and you can use that traffic to promote your Digistore24 affiliate products or your affiliate products in general. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.